Coming up in this video, I give you 4 reasons why you should not use dropshipping on eBay. But if we're just meeting, my name is Charles, and my mission is to help 10,000 people create a full-time income online. So if that's you, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we're going to get into the video. So before we get into this, full disclaimer, I have never done dropshipping on eBay, or any other platform for that matter, but I've looked into it way more than I probably should have. And this is why I know 4 good reasons why doing the research, eBay is not the platform to do this on. Before we talk about the reasons, let's talk about what dropshipping on eBay is. So with dropshipping, you go to Amazon, Walmart.com, or any other online store. You find an item that is selling for more on eBay. You copy the listing, post it on eBay. When the item is purchased, you then go back to that site, you purchase the item, and from there ship it directly to the customer. So you never take the inventory, you never touch the inventory. You're just basically playing the middleman between Amazon and the customer, or Walmart and the customer. And therein lies the problem with this whole operation. You never touch the inventory. So issue number 1, I've already kind of touched on this, is you have no control over the inventory. Let's say you list something from Walmart.com. You put it up on your store. Someone buys the item. Oh, yay, I got a sale. So now you go over to Walmart. You try to buy this item to ship it to the customer, and Walmart is sold out. So now what do? You've already sold it on eBay, but now you can't get the inventory. So that's issue number 1. Now, eBay is mad because you've sold something you don't have, and the customer's mad because you've sold something you don't have. What do you think they're going to do? They're going to give you bad feedback, and now they're going to give you bad feedback, and now other customers are not going to want to buy from you. So it's just bad all in all. Issue number 2, and this is going to be along the same lines of issue number 1. So let's say I have my item listed on eBay, and I get a big order. Someone comes in, buys 30 of my products that I have listed. Well, like I said before, after they pay you, you go over to whatever website, and then you purchase from that website. But with this model, you pretty much have to front the money and purchase it from the other website. So let's say the customer goes to your store, they want 50 of them. Okay, so you go over to Walmart.com, we'll say for an example, and now you have to buy 50 of this $100 item. That's $5,000. So good luck if you're just starting out having $5,000 to purchase this item so that you can ship it to the customer. And let me reiterate, bad business model. But Charles, couldn't you just list a smaller listing? Of course you could, but I mean, you're not holding the item, so why would you limit yourself? If you've gotten any value out of this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if this video can get to 30 likes, I'll actually do a 7-day dropshipping test. But only if I can get to the 30 likes. And let me know in the comments section, have you tried dropshipping? And do you think it's a good or bad business model? I'd like to hear it in the comments below. Anyway, let's get back into it. Not to harp too much on the price thing, but I got another price thing for you. So let's say you have your active listing on eBay. You set the price at $50 because that's what comps are going for on eBay. And on Walmart, the price is $40, so you're already making a $10 profit. But what if you have your $50 listing on eBay, and then the price jumps up for whatever reason? Not very likely with Walmart, but with Amazon, which is another place that people like to do this model. Amazon prices fluctuate all the time. So if you have your $50 listing, and then you're drop shipping from Amazon, and the price just jacked up to $70, now you're losing $20 on every time you got to buy it. Yes, there are some tools that you can use that will auto take your listing down. I understand that, but still, there's still room for error. If there's 3 customers that buy it before this program takes the listing down, then that's $60 lost in that scenario. And if you're not using the program, forget about it. You might as well just hand over your wallet. The last and probably the most obvious thing on why you should not drop ship on eBay is the packaging. Like I said, you never touch the inventory. It ships straight from Walmart Amazon, Lowe's, wherever you're buying the item, they're shipping it straight to the customer. So if you've ever ordered online from one of those stores, they tend to like to put their own branding on their boxes. So imagine the customer, they are waiting for this package from eBay, they go outside and they see an Amazon box, or they go outside and see a Walmart box. What do you think they're going to think? First of all, they're probably going to hit you up and talk about, I want to return this item because you ripped me off. And second, they're going to either complain to eBay or they're going to complain to... So a customer's going to open their door, they're going to see this... They're going to see this Amazon package, they're going to go complain to eBay. eBay's going to get mad at you because not just one customer, but 10 customers have complained about the same thing. So they're going to shut your store down. And then what are you going to do? Now you've burned that bridge with eBay. So now you're going to have to go back and get a real job. And you've quit your other job, so you've burned that bridge too. Your best option is going to be to go down to McDonald's, put on a paper hat, and start flipping fries for a living. Oh, and your girlfriend, she's not going to like you smelling like fries all day, so she's going to leave you. And if you have kids, she's going to take the kids with her. Anyway, I don't know where that was about to go. This is going to get real dark, I can tell you that. So I'm going to end the video here. If this video can get to 30 likes, I will do a 7-day test of dropshipping on eBay. But before you go, if you want to watch another video from me, click the screen here or here. And I look forward to reading your comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Your girlfriend's going to go find a guy who hasn't had carbs in 7 years.